Hey guys, this is a story called Lucy Loves Goosey by Linda Singleton. I love you, Goosey. You're my big sister. No, I'm a goose. You, Lucy, are a dog. Look, I have glossy, goosey feathers. Those are not feathers, those are leaves. Watch me whittle, wiggle, waddle like you. There is no wagging tail in a goosey waddle. I can honk like a goose. Grr. Quiet, please. You'll disturb my eggs. I have a nest too. I have a nest of eggs too. Those are not eggs, they're rocks. Hey, big sister, watch me fly. Splash, splash, splat, smush. Uh-oh, sorry, Goosey. Oh my goodness. Go bark and dig and chase like a dog. I'm a goose and you are not. Okay, Goosey. Yip, 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 yip. Dig, 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 dig. That's a good dog, Lucy. Now it's time to go to sleep. Good night, big sister. Sniff, sniff, scratch, scratch. Oh, a fox was breaking into the goose pen. Ruff, grr, growl, leave Goosey alone. Thank you, Lucy. You saved my eggs. I love you, Goosey. You are my... Do not say it. I am not your big sister. I am a goose, and you are my friend. Crack, crack. Hello, big sister. Oh, my goodness. So cute. All right, bye, guys.